and more self-confidence you will have. Everyone have a chance to learn, improve and developing our skills. Myself, Ashwin, leading this section today. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for your valuable presence with us today. Ave Stella Maris College presents an informative webinar section based on the topic Gaining Industry Skills While Studying. Ave Stella Maris College organizes webinar series on various topics such as industry skills, career guidance,
join in an industry. And later I approached several job consultancy firms where I have provided my resumes. And they were actually accepting my resumes by making getting some sort of payments from me. And later, within 2 months, I have attended around 10 interviews. And by God's grace, I was able to get about 8 interviews being selected. But when I approached my mother, she said, "No, you have to focus on your studies first." That was the first thing that I have faced in my life, but now I regret, because industry experience is a very important and valuable thing along your studies. I would say, because as I'm a teacher with 8 years of experience, I now know the recruiters are looking for the individuals who are having higher experience. So let us start today's session. Just wait for a minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. What is your passion? I would say another story of mine. After MBA, I have gone through different campus interviews and I have got selected. And I worked around 1 month as assistant sales manager in IndusInd Bank in Kottayam branch. But later I thought, this is not my passion. As a person, my character is to interact with people. So I love teaching. So teaching was my passion. So I followed it. After a period of 1 month, I got a job as an assistant professor in one of the good institutions in Kottayam. So you should say career is your passion. You should select a career based on your interest, your knowledge, your specialization, etc. Then only you can perform in a very better manner. What you should make before when you are focusing on your career, you should set your goals. So I would suggest the SMART goals. So what are SMART goals? SMART goal means specific. You should narrow your goals. You are not supposed to widen a bit. You should narrow. My focus is on teaching. My focus is on getting an industry experience. My focus is on to get into the IT field. My focus is to get into the electronics field. So I have to prepare myself with a particular goal that is specific and narrowed. Second important thing, you should consider your time. I would say this is the right time for you to go for any job. After getting married, you will have some household activities. You will have much responsibilities. So your priority will be changing. This is a young age is the best time to do any type of challenging task. So time is very precious. Manage your time systematically. Make some time plans that will enable you to achieve your targets. Third main factor that you should consider to create your passion as your career is to take risk. We know because they will feel it will be getting them with some sort of losses. Loss is not a bad thing. Loss is something that makes us . able to identify the various possible remedial measures where we can get along with the success. So loss is good. So take risk. Learn to manage. That's every opportunity as a valuable thing that will enrich yourself. Last, to reach your passion, you should manage your strategy, do your interested activities, sports, arts, dance. Talk with your buddy mates. Talk with your faculties. Reduce your stress. Learn to manage. Maybe I would say I am a single piece. Why? Because I have only the single person who is similar with all the features and capabilities. My character will be different from another one. So we will say we are all unique. Unique in our thoughts, unique in our values, unique in our beliefs, unique in our customs, unique from our family, right? So please consider yourself as a unique icon, a single piece. For that, what should you do? Brand yourself. You should consider yourself as a brand. You should create an image among the others that particular person is worth. While talking to that particular person, I am getting some sort of good insights. So create yourself as a brand. Personalize your task. I would say some of my students will submit the assignments online. Now, you know, we are having online classes. When I receive the assignments, most of them will be in the handwritten format. But some of them do some good tips into it. They will personalize it. They will add a cover page that will be very attractive to the faculty. So whenever I see that assignment, in my mind, I unconsciously will be giving the same person with 5 marks. That is not because of the partiality. That is the influence of the presentation by using the personalization. Personalize your activities and tasks. Personalize your presentations. Personalize yourself so that you can be unique. Third, create networks. Use your social media websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, YouTube, Insta. All these social media networks are not for commenting, not for sharing some not good relevant things. It is for you to explore yourself and to reach more business personals in a professional manner. There's a third one that you need to be unique. Fourth, be attractive. Be attractive to the recruiters. Be attractive to the faculty. You should get a self-identity after joining into an institution. They should say, yes, that particular guy, that particular girl is very good. So we can ask her to this particular task. You might also have come across some sort of situations. So attract yourself to the recruiters, to your faculties, to the persons who surround you, so that you will be like a unique person. Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. In between, please do respond, because even if it is a webinar, I think we can have an interactive session. Thank you, and expect your cooperation too. So, I said, I am actually having my passion to be there in the industry in the first stage of my career. But later I identified I was not ready for it. I am much eager to be there in the teaching field. So for me, career means teaching. For you, career means industry. Career means something that you can add value to your pursuits. So I would suggest student internship programs, SIPs. One thing that you should know that most of the very relevant recruiters, branded recruiters, are recruiting students who are having experience. They will be posting the advertisement like this: we are hiring freshers. When we click onto this advertisement, underneath, we will be having an explanation. The student or the candidate should need minimum 6 months of experience. Then how we can call a person fresher if he is having 6 months of experience? That is student internship programs. Nowadays, most of the very eminent companies and reputed companies are looking for students who are having experience along with their studies. Go for student internship programs. There are two options: paid internship and unpaid internship. Paid internships again is classified into two, where the company will give us some sort of remuneration for the work that we will do. Second option, we have to pay some amount to the reputed company to become an intern in their firm. Both of these are very good opportunities. The first one will enable to learn while you learn. Second one, you will be able to make sure that you are paying to them. So you will be getting a certificate after the completion of the internship. Second option, the free internship options. That is actually provided by the companies mostly nowadays, because they are getting talented people without no cost. Cost reduction is one of the main policy of every business firm. The second option, free internship, where the students will be intimated with some sort of job opportunities like HR intern, marketing intern, sales intern, digital marketing intern, social media intern, campus ambassadorship. These are the different job titles that they are posting to the social media. So if you are choosing to that, what you will learn? You will receive a certificate after the completion of the internship. You will get a letter of appreciation if your performance is unique and creative. Is it good? Right? So the choice is yours. So now we will look to a video, and after that I will talk to you. Can you see the video?
Yes, miss.
Thank you. Sorry, in between my network lost. Sorry for the. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Thank you. So, now moving on to the video. Opportunity never come back. What I will say right here, I will say, if you are a student with career as your main goal, with independent as your main goal, you should never skip any opportunity in your younger age. Because when we get older, we will be having much more priority. So very best time is to get for opportunity is the younger age. So whenever you have an opportunity out at all, just take it. Take it as a challenge. Prove that you are the best suited person. Second, as I said, you should use your social media websites like LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, YouTube, and n number of social media is there. You have to use all that for creating better networks where you can have an interaction with business professionals and tycoons, so that you will be able to have a good network where you should not wait yet more to get good opportunities in front of you. Third, enlighten yourself with the career goals that suits your passion. I would suggest, along with internships, you should also focus with some online courses, free courses that will enlighten yourself as an individual. If you're interested in digital marketing, go for some courses that are freely available for digital marketing. If you're interested in photography, go for it. Go for the courses available for it. If you're interested in some of the social media marketing, again, go to the different websites where you can find some courses, either paid or free, that suits your passion. So that after completing the course, you will be having some sort of introductory knowledge about the things. So enlighten yourself. You should learn a lot about the passion before you enter into a career. Fourth, this is like two sides of a coin. You should do your studies along with your job. Okay, the head and tail is equally important, right? Because it is your life. Both the head and tail is your life. So do the job, get along with your studies. Because if you are an MPA student or a degree student, after completing 3 years or after completing 2 years, you will be having 2 years of experience in your hand if you are opting job along with your studies. Do you think is it useful? Yes, for sure, I will say. Because there are students of mine who has been placed in L&T after their internship along with their studies. That was a miraculous achievement for them. We are saying, yes, ma'am, we have done. We have completed our studies. We are now into the job. If you're doing your internship in a very, very excellent manner, very noticeable manner, then your recruiters, after your internship, will give you job offer, a permanent job offer. So there you are creating yourself as a brand where the company is asking you to be there for their need. So please use this opportunity. Do your job. Get along with your studies. Both are important. The two sides of the coin. What are the various benefits of opting an internship? Opting an internship give you n number of benefits. I will say some of them for your realization. First, you will receive a certificate for the internship. that will show as an experience. The one thing that makes you unique in front of others. Other students who are passing out from the MG University. Other students who are passing out from another institutions. Second, if your performance is very good, the company will issue appreciation certificates. That is one of the very valuable things that we can add as a gold medal along with your studies. Appreciation letter. Third, as I said, you will learn the working atmosphere. You will learn the functions of the company. Fourth, you will get a better network with the customers, with the company, with the clients of the company. From the clients, you might be recruited to some overseas companies too. Is it good? Again, another advantage of opting internship. You would get better references. After doing your internship, you can ask your HR manager or your corporate employer, kindly issue me a reference letter. He will state in a particular Word document in their letter pad, so and so person has worked with us for the last 3 months and the person was so active and energetic during the time. So we found himself or herself as a very beautiful asset for any organization. By showing this simple reference letter, you will get a very good job in the near future. Sometimes they will say, I will not pay any penny to you for your internship period. But when you start doing, when they see that your performance is very good and very attractive, they will give you some sort of remuneration after the completion of the internship. Again, learn while you learn. So these are some of the benefits, some small number of benefits, yet others are there. You should explore it. You should opt internship because we are the one who make our career better. Yes, you should dream about yourself and your future. In 2021, you should dream where I will be. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For sure. I think it is visible, sir. Sorry. Can you see the screen now? Thank you. So, what we start? Dream about yourself and your future. I would say quote. The quote that makes you aware about the importance of dreams. The future belongs to the people who believe in the beauty of their dreams. By Eleanor Roosevelt. So, the future belongs to the people who dream about their career, I would say. We should see ourselves after 5 years. Now we are in 2021. By 2026, where I will be. You should dream about that. You should make sure that you will reach in a very particular destination that you dreamt of. That is your responsibility. So dream about yourself and your future when you are in the organization or when you are in your studies. Then, be creative as always. I would say creative people are not normal because they will think the alternative ways of doing something. So be creative as always. Some of the friends might say the person is not normal, the person is doing something that is not actually relevant, but think that you are creative. Creativity lies in the mind of people who are ready to take risks and challenges. So be creative as always. Do your task in a different way, in a unique way, in an innovative way, so that the people will be attracted to you. That is one thing that you need. Yes, celebration. Celebration is one thing that you should focus. Celebrate all your achievements, small or big. Getting a certificate from the college for the best performance. Getting a certificate as a best manager in the best management competition. Getting a certificate as the best student. Celebrate all your achievements, small or big, because that will notice you to the recruiters. So you should create all your achievements. You should network. You should market your achievements through the different social media platforms like LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. So that the recruiters, the other people will identify you, will notice you. Yes, some person, a creative one, is growing there, so we want to capture that person to the company. So you should celebrate all your achievements, small or big. Then, brand yourself, as I said, brand yourself with uniqueness. No one should copy you. No one should imitate you. You are not also supposed to imitate others, because we are ourselves as a separate identity. Always we will be having separate mindsets, different thoughts, different values, different way of expressions too. So brand yourself based on your skills, based on your abilities, and based on your efficiency too. So, before we go to the hands-on session, I would say it is a hands-on session where I will be introducing some of the good websites where you can explore. What you need before that? First, I would suggest you should create a LinkedIn profile. Most of you might have a LinkedIn profile, but I will say some good information about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the social media platforms where business professionals meet. You can create better networks there. You can get along with the good people who will bring you laurels. So LinkedIn is very highly useful for uplifting your career. The second thing that you need is a resume. A good resume portrays ourselves before the recruiter, before the person who are visiting our profile. So the second needed thing before you start is a resume. Third, the focus. Focus is your passion. I said career simply based on the passion. If we are not passionate enough, we will not be able to manage the stress. If we are passionate, we will get along with the stress. Stress will be there in the other side. We will be walking to the other side. So focus on your passion. Now, let us explore some good opportunities that are in front of us that might be aware and that might not be aware for us. Can I start? From now onwards, I will suggest if any students or any participants are having any type of queries, kindly unmute and ask in between. Let me start. Great. Okay. So first of all, let me go to the LinkedIn. As I said, I'm not a marketer of LinkedIn, but I am telling the uses of LinkedIn. So this is actually my profile. So let me show the icons in the LinkedIn. Here we have a home page where the profile of the person comes in the left side. The current recent post appear here, and any type of news, courses, everything is available in LinkedIn. Second, we have an icon called jobs, where we have to stick when we are looking for learn while you learn. So just click to the jobs. You can see the screen, right? Kindly respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So under the jobs, you can see Director, Human Resources and Administration, Senior Manager, Director of Technology, Business Analyst and Project Management Consultant. See more jobs. Go for see more jobs. After creating a LinkedIn account, by registering into it, you will be getting this particular window. So from that, you have to click the jobs icon. After clicking the job icon, go for more jobs. So you can see in the left side, you will be able to find so many jobs over here. Right? Consultant. So let me click on to the consultant. Description is available. Right? So go for the description. Okay. And after going to the description, just check whether it is a full-time or whether it is a part-time job. Okay. That is the first thing that you have to check. Second, yes, let me check for some another options. These jobs are based on the profile of the person who has entered into the LinkedIn. So these jobs are according to my qualifications and my skills that I have posted into LinkedIn. So when you are creating your LinkedIn profile, make sure that you are creating in a proper way so that you will get most of the jobs that are suitable for you according to your skills and abilities. So just scroll down. Yes. So this is actually a full-time job again, because it is shown that full-time. Okay. Now we can also check here. If we want to look for a marketing manager post, we can select that. Okay. Again, full-time. This is because as I am a person who is having some sort of experience, that's what they are showing. When you are joining, you will be seeing some of the internship opportunities too. Let me check for internships. Yeah, I have another option for the same. Experience level. You can see this icon, right? Under the experience level, go for internship. Click the internship. Show the 115 results. So just identify that we are not paying any penny to the recruiter for getting notification regarding the internship opportunities. That is the one of the very important aspect of LinkedIn profile. Now you got the point, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am just clicking into one particular internship. Sales and marketing intern. Youth India Placement Cell. So it is in New Delhi. Around 11 to 50 employees are working there. They are actively recruiting. Apply now. Just go for apply now. Okay, I will show the same, even if I don't want to apply the same, but I am showing for your understanding, because just treat this as a hands-on experience so that you will learn how to apply for the job too. Click the next option. Automatically, I have uploaded a CV into my LinkedIn. Automatically, the LinkedIn will select that CV. If you want to upload a new CV, just close the same, then a new upload icon will come there. Just go for it. Then go for the next option. Okay. Then you have to fill all these details, and after that, review and then submit. So your application will get submitted without any cost. Is it good? It's good, yes, right? So this is what the one of the platform where you can create, where you can create this job opportunity. So likewise, around 115 jobs are now there as an intern in this LinkedIn. So after the session, make sure that all should create a LinkedIn ID, and please make sure that you are there following your faculty members and the career opportunity organizations as well. So this is the first platform. Can I go to the second platform? The second platform is, thank you. Second platform is internshala.com. So recently I have seen some of the LinkedIn profiles where the students are saying that they are actually working as campus ambassadors of Internshala. They are posting their certificates as completed internship as campus ambassador of Internshala. So just click onto this internship where we have so many options. Location, profile, category. Okay, location. If you want a work from home, just click for the work from home. Then we will be getting some notifications like this. Okay. Only need is you have to have an account. Just register yourself with the user ID or you can log in through the Google account. So nothing else, just click the Google sign in option, click onto the Google account that you have, then you will be getting a mail in your Google mail inbox. Click the verify now, then you will be going to the sites where you can see internship. You can go for HR internship, then work from home, already given. Okay, so some other courses are also showing. Work from home, human resources, NIAB Enterprises, Revit, Telemonks Technology, view details. Just go for view details. We don't want to pay anything, right? We can go for the details. Yes, this is a paid internship. They need the intern very immediately. Around 29 applicants now. Just think, around 29 applicants now. Which means what? When you are, just check this also. 4 applicants now, 23 hours before. So when you are entering into a site, just look for the post timing. If it is immediately posted, nobody will be there to apply. They will see it only later. So it is your turn. Just go and click onto the apply button. Then you will be the first one. You will be the first one who will be applying for the job. So they might recruit you. So that is one of the very good idea that you have to keep in your mind when you think about internships. Then again, I'm going to the next one. This is another website. I will share all these website links through Polsa so that you can get it after the session. I will also share the PPT. Okay, presentation. Now, this is another platform where you can find internship opportunities. Here, global internship opportunities are available. Intern today. Register now. Choose from the top global universities. So register, log in. There are 2 options. If you are giving register, just go to the register. I am a student. Use that. Register now. Give your first informations. Okay. Go for, I need to give a password. So I will be giving a password right now so that I can go to the home site. Oh, one uppercase letter is missing as well. Okay, I have entered the password. 6 characters only. Okay. My password is little bit long. That I am using every time when I am registering to some sites because it will be easy for me. Okay. I think it is more than 6. The password should be a combination of alphanumeric characters and standards. No special characters again. This is experiential learning, okay? Now I am facing some issues because I have not read the conditions that they said. Now I think it will go to the site. Yes. Now the conditions, email already exists, login using above form. So I have already logged into the same. So I can click onto the, so this is how we will register into the hellointern.com. After registering to the same, we will be able to see the different internship opportunities that are available to us right now. Just the same process, go for the details, click on to the apply now button, then you have to upload your resume. After uploading the resume, you will be getting an email that your application has been successfully submitted. Did you get the point? Here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then again, the next link, Indeed.com. This is another place where we can find internships. Okay, data entry intern, Great American Insurance Group, 3.8 is the rating. $600 week, $15 per hour. So likewise, so many options are available. So we can sign into Indeed with Google. So we can select the Google account that we have, click onto that, then automatically you will be getting into the same. Then we can select some icons like job type, internship, part-time, full-time, temporary, contract, salary estimate. If we need salary, just keep that. Benefits that you need, professional development, flexible schedule, health insurance, work from home, location. You can specify the location, company that you are actually looking for. Just look, this much of companies are available. Money Mouth Marketing, Council of Foreign Relations, DIMS Investments, events changing the present, Greek socials, like that. So these are some of the global internships where you can find and apply for jobs. Okay? Now again, internship.co.in. This is another website where you can find internship. For candidates, for startups, for candidates, find internship. Just keep find internship. Yes. 4 days ago, sales executive, work from home opportunity, script writer, content writing and research, digital marketing intern, 5,000 rupees monthly, social media manager, $550 for the ender internship. Okay, so likewise, we have to just view the details. Whenever you are seeing the internship, just don't go and click to the apply now. Just read each and every minute aspects that are given there under job, responsibilities, qualifications needed, bonds if any. Okay, so make sure you are looking into these aspects before you jump into some internships. Did you get the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me go to the next one. Okay, as I said, before we start looking for internship, we have to create a resume. Most of you might have a resume. I think it will be a best one because you are good students. That is my perception. Okay, so even though we can differentiate ourselves by using some online platforms, makes yourself unique, as I said before. Uniqueness can be made with the help of online, free resume creators. Here, can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Is it visible? Yes. Here we have resume templates, CV templates, cover letters, etc. So from that, if we are clicking into the resume templates, they will be showing us some of the free resume templates that will be available online. Just look into these resumes. I think these are awesome because my resume is somewhat so much traditional. I will share the same right now. So if I am going for a basic 1/8, executive 2/8, college 3/8, creative 4/8, okay, creative. I don't know whether it is a paid one or it is an unpaid one. When I have checked for the same, it is a free resume creator. So I have just added some of the personal details so that you will also learn how to add the details. Now you can see the screen where I got a website where my resume template is available, correct? This is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will be writing my professional details. Some spelling mistakes might appear. Sorry for the same, because I am typing in a very speed manner. So, short and engaging pitch about yourself. Okay, let me take my old CV. This is my old CV where I have around 5 pages. That is not looking at it. So from there, I am selecting these objectives. Just copying the same, going to the site again, placing it. So now I have 3 points to bring about my talents for career enrichment, to withstand the competition that exists in the life as well as in the job, to use every risk as opportunity for experience. So we can give such type of attractive taglines after our profile information. You can also add some good images, formal images that make the recruiters attractive with you. Now, work experience, title and position. Again, I will be going to the already. I have a previous resume. From there, I just selected the first experience that I have. Then going back to the same title position. Okay, I am filling the entire things over there. Okay, and after that, I will be workplace or company. So I will be selecting this. Control is set. Okay, then I will pasting over here. Okay, so workplace or company, we have St. Kitts College of Applied Sciences. Okay, then here present, we can give present. Then title or position, where you can again Control V. Just select the other information that you don't want to add. Assistant professor. Country optional, city optional. Achievements and tasks, where again you can go for the CV that you have with you. Go for the achievements tab, where you can find some sort of achievements. Okay, publication of books, publication of articles. In my case, as I am a faculty, I will be having such type of achievements in my career. Okay, leadership experiences, coordinator, organizer, event conductor, comparer, the seminars and workshops that I have attended earlier. All these things, you can fill that with the help of an existing CV. Okay, clear? Personal projects, where you have to talk about your projects. You all should be doing some projects in your MBA or in BBA, right? Fourth semester, you will be having a project. Third semester, you will be having a project. Sixth semester, you will be having a project. So, personal project in that, just give that information. Skills. You can add some skills, right? Leadership, communication, MS Office. So many skills here that you can post, as much as that you have. Honor awards. If you receive some sort of recognitions, you can change this particular heading. Rather than awards, we can give certificates. Okay, so that you can give the details of the certificates that you have earned while you are into the course. Conferences and courses attended. Any online course that you have attended, any seminar or workshop that you have attended, you can give the details over here. Organizations. Organizations will be where you can give the organization currently you are in, the organization that you have previously studied, the organization that you are currently working as an intern, that things can be given under the organization. And if you are a member of some of the institutions like IIM, UN, you can show that also here. Then supported courses. Again, if we don't need this particular title, we can change that. I need hobbies. Okay. Second, just add hobbies. Then just I will write drawing. One of my hobbies is drawing. Yes. Again, go for the plus button. Again, the next icon will appear. I will say yes. Fabric painting. It is related to drawing, but I am adding it for your understanding. Then interest. Reading, surely. Again, I can add experiences. Third, I can add research. My interest lies in these three aspects, so I am writing that. Okay. Now you got the point, correct? Correct? Okay. Clear? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you.
Sure. Okay. After doing that, just click to this download button. So I have just done some rough works. After that, you can see a resume has been downloaded to my computer. Just go double click the same. Okay. When you double click the same, if your resume has some informations, your resume will look so great. You can change this color, this color patterns, layouts, anything with the help of this particular website, Novo Resume. It is very free, and you can explore this later for building a strong resume that will make you different from others. Okay, theme is here. We can change the theme. We can add some backgrounds like this. Premium feature. Okay, I understand. So when you are selecting the themes, they are actually asking us to please use our premium. Okay, so we will be telling, okay, thank you. We will later be coming back to you to access the premium. Okay. Then layout, we have different layouts. Okay, you can select this one. You can select this one. You can select this one. This much options are available. Okay, these are the options that are available. Then settings. Going to the settings, general settings leverage into date format, January, February, month format, like that. And if you want to do something that has been done wrongly, just click the back button. Or otherwise, if you have wrongly removed some important information, use this particular arrow. Change the font. Okay, small, medium, large, size. You can change that. Okay, then optimizer. Optimizer is for optimizing the color patterns and all. So it is again some of the premium features. So now used to go for premium features because we are in the starting stage. We can use the free option where you can explore yourself. You can create something different. Okay, clear? The first one. Second one is the CV Maker. This is actually a paid one. So before I start, let me say this is a paid resume creator. So you just go for create your resume now. You have to get into the registration process as the first stage. Then create now. Give the information that you want to add. Next step. Go for the next step. Then add other information that they are asking for us. Resume, objective, educational qualification, interest, references, skills, work experience. Next step. Go like that. Fill all the things. Select the template. Then they will ask us, yes, you can see the CV, but you cannot download. It is a paid one. So please kindly take. Okay, but this is another option where you can create resumes for free, or you can just explore the different templates from them, create it by your own. All of you might be able to create a CV by you if you are actually having a template with you in hand. That is another tricky aspect of a good business person. We will not pay anything, but we will see your template and we'll copy and paste it and we will use it. Okay. Then the third one is resume build. Again, the third one, resume build. So I am just talking now about the resumes. Okay. After that, we will again get back to the internship. Okay. This is actually like a break in between so that you will not get bored. Okay. Yes. Again, I have resume build tips for your education section. I am just clicking the next option. If you want the skills, summary, review, and download, all these things you can fill it, and after that save, then go for download. So I am not showing the same right now. Rather, you can explore this type of website links after the session, so that will be useful for you. Okay. Meanwhile, some disturbances will come because as our university exam is beginning, the prayer might start. So at that time, I will just switch off my video and audio and kindly excuse the inconvenience. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So let it start. Okay, let me start with the next two links that I have been having. This is relating to some online courses that are very free and are highly valuable. Why it is highly valuable? I will show. Just a second. Let me leave for a few minutes. Not leaving, I am there. Sir, actually, we are having the prayer in the college, so that's what I am. Thank you for the waiting. As we had the university exams, we are having the prayer before that. Sorry for the inconvenience caused because we are having speakers everywhere. So it will affect our presentation. That's what I noted, and I switched off my video. So I will be going back to the presentation. Again, this is another link where you can find so many free courses that are provided by the Indian institutions. This is an international course where that is mostly suitable for the faculty members. So for the students, yes. For the students, you can go for the CEC. So just going to the CEC, we will be going to the SWAYAM. But the SWAYAM CEC, actually, it is meant for the student community. And it is actually very free of cost. We don't want to pay any money for writing the exams because actually we can see CEC is actually under the government of India that is actually offered for the students to explore the online courses for free. Can you hear me properly? You can see the slide screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So under here, you can go for, yes, some of the guys will be interested in animations. They can choose this course. Some of them might be interested in photography. Yes, basics of photography, a course is available. Okay. Again, business research method, business statistics, consumer behavior, some of the subjects that you will learn along your studies, computer fundamentals, corporate tax planning, and then cyber security, digital forensics, digital library, digital marketing, e-assessment tools that is actually meant for the teachers, film studies, accountancy, food management, all these things. Just one thing that you have to look, the start zone, the date of which the course starts on. Example, for digital forensics, the course starts on 5th July 2021. But when sometimes when we are looking into the enrollment ends, others we can get into the course up to 31st August 2021. So enrollment is open up to 31st August. So it is a very good, nice time to get into this particular course. So just register yourself using your mail ID. Just give the password. Then you will receive a mail in your concerned mail ID that I have provided. Then you can do the courses. The courses might be for 6 hours, 12 weeks, 16 weeks, 15 weeks. So this is a midterm duration courses, and you will receive certificates that are actually government approved without no cost. So this is one place where you can learn some courses according to your interest and skills. Okay, then second one is another area where you can explore courses that are free and is also provided by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. So all the courses that are actually coming under this particular website is recognized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. They will be having some tie-ups with some of the online platforms, and they will be giving us some online courses. Just look into this. Around 1 trillion, 1.3 million upcoming jobs, 20 demanded jobs are there. Okay. Again, here we have to sign up. Then after signing up, we will receive a mail, verify the mail. Again, go to the current site, explore the courses and do the courses. Okay, the machine learning courses are there, artificial intelligence courses are there, digital marketing courses are there. Okay, all these courses are easily available and are free of cost, and the certificates are highly valuable because it is issued by the Government of India. Good point. Okay, other than going for some certifications that is not giving you some good values, you should concentrate on such type of certification courses that will enable you to get some government certifications. Clear? Okay. Now, back to the next topic. Yes. Again, much more resources. Yes. This is actually the World Bank internship opportunity, where we can see applications are now closed, will reopen on October 1st to 31st. Okay, so this is a link that you can explore after October 1st, where you can, young professional programs are there, junior professional associate program is there, application portal is available. Just click on to the application portal, coming on July 1st. So junior professional associate program, just read out the needs that are requirements that you need to apply for the job. Are you a recent graduate? Do you have the passion for and commitment to helping others? Are you looking for a solid 2-year entry-level work experience? If so, you can apply here. You are fluent in English and preferably at least one other bank language. You love technology and integrate in your work. What we are offering? We will be offering a 2-year non-renewable extended term consultant contract with benefits. Eligibility criteria: be 28 years of age or younger, hold equivalent bachelor's degree, be fluent in English, one or more bank languages. That is the only need that you have to apply for this. When you see the bank languages, don't worry that I am not knowing some of these languages that they have specified. Even if just apply, if they are selecting, we can learn it later. But we are not losing some of the opportunities. That's what it said. So this is actually opening only from October 1st. Now this is actually coming on July 1st. That is tomorrow. So tomorrow is a big date for you. You can just apply, just explore this opportunity. If you get the offer, go for it. No worries. This is a World Bank certified course. Second one. Yes. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Delhi. This is actually some courses that are paid, and we can see certificate course in digital marketing, certificate course in web designing, programming through C and C++. So we have to check to those courses that are actually under our area of interest. Okay, then apply for it. So many courses are available, this much courses are available. From that, you have to find the course that best suited for you, then apply for it. But the point is that you have to pay some amount for it. But the theory says what? When you invest something, you will get a return in the long term. These are all safe investments where you can invest your money. You will not lose anything, but you will surely gain something important. Okay, third one. This is another government authorized place where you can already, I think NASCOM I have already said. So again, repeatedly it comes. Next one, Cheap Charity. Cheap Charity is one of the blog where you can get involved into the internship activities that they are doing. They are inviting online volunteering for digital marketing, social media marketing, content writing, fundraising, volunteer management, brand assistance, multimedia design, and all. So if you are interested, apply for internship, click onto that, then go for the application. Okay, this is actually an international recognized internship opportunity, shapecharity.com. Then another one is yes. This is actually an international internship opportunity exploration area where you can find some of the, yes, you just see 1,300 plus partner companies and institutions, 100 plus destination, 6,000 plus experiences delivered in last year. Okay, what we have to do? We have to sign up, then explore, interns, teach, volunteer. 3 options. Okay, volunteer for gender equality, volunteer for zero hunger, volunteer for no poverty, so that you can show the same in your resume after your studies. Yes, I am not a person who is not only looking for myself, I'm also a person who is looking for the community development as well. So you can volunteer into such type of initiatives. Okay, intern. In which area you want to be an intern? Business administration, information technology, marketing, engineering, other, finance, business development. So if you want to go for business administration, available for 3 to 6 months. Options are available. 6 to 12 weeks, 6 to 18 months. That is, for how many period or how much period we will be available to this particular company. From which date, the start date. If I am available from 1st July, I can keep that. If I am available only from July 25th, I can keep that. And after that, they will be showing some sort of internships that are available. Now, this is an internship that is offered by TCS. There is only one applicant and main activities are already explained over here as a pop-up interview. Right. Again, intern, go to marketing job. Yes, 153 applicants. So, it is a global intern communication support intern. So the project also includes the main activities, the things that you have to do. All the things are given there. You can apply again because we don't know how many they will enter. How many is their target number? Okay, so you can go for it. Then information technology. But this is actually when we are able to have some sort of languages. We can apply for this. Again, it is provided by TCS. Then engineering. We are BTech with MBA. We can also look for such type of vacancies, right? Interior designer, engineering, software engineer, Tunisia. 14 applicants in there. By just placing the cursor over here, we can see the main activities that we want to do in that particular job. So these are the ways where we can explore ourselves. We can find ourselves with opportunities. Opportunities are in front of us. But the main issue is we are blind. We are blind. Why? We are not looking for it. We should look, we should learn, we should focus to identify the opportunities that are available to us. So this is what I said about AIESEC. Up to that, is it clear? Okay. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Is it clear? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes. Let me go to the next point. After getting into an internship, or when you are looking for an internship, you might find some sort of doubts. Recently, some of my students called me in the late night and asked me that, "Ma'am, we had applied for an internship. Right now we are working on it. That you have been provided to us. But now we are having a doubt that the company is genuine or not." That's what their query. When I heard that query, I just felt stressed, because if they are having such type of a doubtful mind, they will not perform in a very excellent manner. So I just said, let me check and we'll get back to you. That was my answer for them. Meanwhile, I checked the same with some of the references that I have, and I talked to them personally and asked them about the internship, whether it is genuine, whether there is any possibility of fraud like that. Later, when I get back to my students, what they were actually feeling that they are highly happy and so stress-free, because they were able to find the solution for their stressful situation. I just said, you might be working under a company as an intern. You will be having a superior officer. You can talk to him. Please don't directly tell that I have a doubt your company is not genuine. They will degrade you. They will make you in the red list. That is not a bad choice. What you have to do? Instead of that, you can ask them like this: "Sir, one of our customer is having a clarity or having a doubtfulness in his mind, and he is asking whether if I am paying for the same company, whether I will lose my money. So that is their doubt. How can I address that issue?" So in that case, they will be noticing that it is the customer's query. So they have to give a proper response. So they will send you a response. When you are receiving the response, actually the customer is not getting the answer. You are the person who is getting the answer. So make yourself in a position that you will be able to convince the people and to get all the information that you need without making yourself in the red list. Now you get a clear idea, right? So you have to talk and address the issues. You have to talk to your mentor. You have to talk to your supervisor who is there in the internship company. You have to talk to your faculty members too. Because even if they aren't teaching, they are exploring. They know much bigger than you. Don't underestimate them. Talk to them. Talk to them and address your issues. They will sometimes might not be able to find a solution for it. But some of the words that they will tell or they will speak to you can make a difference in your mindset. So talk and address any issues that you face when you are doing some internships, or when you are doing some online courses, or when you are preparing some of your resumes or some of the important documents that you need to project yourself as the best suitable person. So one of the main thing that you need as an individual who want to grow a career is the ability to communicate and the ability to convince. Two Z's: communicate and convince. You should communicate your doubts, your queries. You should convince them too. Okay? That is one basic thing that you have to. Then, again, we are moving to some of the other things too. This is another place where you can, now the company is having, for the last 3 weeks, the company is having some issues in their network. But I am purposefully adding this link because this is one of the useful link where my students have got around 23 students are actually working under some of the companies through this platform, letsintern.com. And some of my candidates who has recently coming to the college for writing the university exam, he is in the 6th semester. He was actually telling me yesterday that, ma'am, I have applied through different platforms, but the Let's Intern is one platform where I got some good opportunities. Currently, I am working with 2 of its firms, and I expect a placement after the internship because they are actually very happy with my performance. That was the comment that I received just yesterday from my student. So now the platform is a little stopped because of some of the network issues that they have. He himself informed me yesterday, ma'am, currently their website is not working. But even if I purposefully added this particular link here because it will be useful for you. Okay. Second one is the next one. UNICEF. Yes. Start your career with UNICEF. You all know what is UNICEF, so I won't add anything about the same. Okay, what we offer. So this is actually meant for the recent graduates. So to have some practical experience with the UNICEF activities. So again, this is again a global recognized certification that you will receive after doing the internship. The only rules are he should be a graduate, undergraduate, or a person who is pursuing his PhD program and has been graduated within the past 2 years. This is the first requirement. Second one is they have to have at least one language proficiency, English, French, or Spanish. So that is a second need. Third one is have excellent academic performance as demonstrated by recent university recent educational records. So you can add the semester marks so that you can prove yourself as an excellent academic performer where you will be able to make them impressed with your marks. Okay, so marks are also too important. Have no immediate relatives. So nobody from your family like father, mother, sister or brother should be working with UNICEF. We might not be having. So that is exceptional. Then have no other relatives in your reporting line of authority. So under the UNICEF, if your family members are in the UNICEF directorial board or in the administrative membership board, you can't apply. Last one of the condition is at least 18 years old. You should be a major person to apply for such type of internships. This is again a global opportunity where you can find the internships. Now, internship program frequently asked questions. Please read more. If you have some queries before you start, just click onto this. Read more option. We can read, we can identify some of the questions that were asked by some of the individuals who are actually running before our track, right? We are now only going to the track with all our shoes and gadgets, but there are other members who have already started their journey. So they will be having some sort of doubts in their mind. So they have asked for it, and these are the responses that they have been given with some of the UNICEF members. Okay, when should I apply? Usually a question you might also will have. They've just given on our vacancies page. So just click onto that blue link that is having a hyperlink over there, a hidden hyperlink over there. That will go to another place where current vacancies will appear. Okay, so when we go to the current vacancies, education officer, temporary appointment, 364 days, only for Bangladeshi nationals. So, sorry, it is not available for us. Then, advertisement, immunization specialist, local consultants, national consultancy. So the thing is that we have to check the requirement and we have to check whether we are eligible to apply for the same. Okay. And if some sort of restrictions or limitations are specified, then we don't want to apply for the same. But this is a platform where you can find some internship opportunities. Okay, more jobs, 200. Again, if I am clicking the same, some more jobs will appear in the page. Okay, so just explore this. Sometimes if we are spending 5 to 10 minutes, we might not be able to find any jobs that will be suitable for us. But don't think it is a waste of time. It is a time where you are searching for your career development. You can find some of the job titles as well. You can find some of the job titles that are having requirements of human resource in the near future. So artificial intelligence is one of the very new area. If you are a specialist in that, if you are going to some of the internship website, if you are seeing some of the job opportunity that a course provided for artificial intelligence, if you know something about artificial intelligence, you can apply for it. So you can find the job titles: consultant, marketing manager, digital marketing officer, HR intern, marketing intern. So we can find the different job titles that are having vacancies nowadays. So that will make you a sense that most of the people, while they are in the studies, they will be having a doubt which specialization I have to take in my third semester. Finance, HR, systems, marketing, operations, IT. I will be having a doubt. So when I am looking into the different sites for the internships, you can find the internships are more for that particular specialization. So it is very easy to select the specialization. Okay. So don't think it is a waste of time. It's a time that you are using wisely. If you are using your time wisely, then for sure your future will be very successful. That is one thing. Then the third one. This is actually under the Google, careers in Google. Again, project management apprenticeship. Work experience, high school degree or GED equivalent, less than 1 year of relevant project management experience needed. Not currently enrolled or completed a bachelor's or master's. So this is actually for the students who are not having a degree qualifications. Okay, currently enrolled in a full-time bachelor's master's degree program. Eligibility as vocational support candidate. The certificate issued by Korean Ministry of Laboratories and Business Affairs. Okay, we be able to complete 6 months of internship at Google Seoul office and ability to speak, write English and Korean fluently and automatically. So the job title is very good, but when it comes to the ability to speak Korean language is not fluent for us. Okay, it is again here we can give check marks: part-time, intern, temporary, full-time, etc. We can also add some points like digital marketing. Digital marketing is the new way where you can find so many jobs. But here in Google, no such results. Search again. Try removing this. Okay. So likewise, we can also add the type of jobs that we are looking for and ask them whether there is any vacancy or not. If there is no vacancy, no issue. We are not paying any money, right? We are not losing anything. We are only losing some of our time. That is precious. But I said, when you are looking to the job sites, you will be able to identify the current openings that are happening in the industry and the economy as well, so that you can plan yourself according to that. Okay. Is it clear? So, what do you think? Whether you are going for internship or not? Can you please respond? No one dare to respond.
Yes, ma'am. It's better to have an internship during our education.
Thank you. Okay, now we have to be like a traffic signal. Okay, we have 3 colors: red, yellow, and green. Red, when you have stress, stop your activities. Even if you are an intern in your organization, if you get stressed, stop the activity, relax, do some activities like drawing, singing, dancing, sports, talk to your intimate friends, to your family members, your mentors, meditate, pray, relax. So whenever you feel stressed, just think that you are in the traffic block where the signal is red. Don't do any type of task during that particular time because it will not generate any positive vibes in you. So when you are highly stressed, please stop the activities. That I would suggest. Second, you have to get slow sometimes. When you see yellow in your life. When you are getting some internships in 2 companies, recently 2 or 3 students from my batch has got internships in 2 companies. Then even after that, they were actually applying for further internships because of the curiosity. Curiosity is one main aspect. Because of the curiosity only they are applying. They want to apply for that. They want to show the resume. If they are getting the opportunity, they will say, no, sir, we are already having 2 internships. Okay, that is not a very good practice. I just suggested them. I just advised them. After getting 2 internships, just stop for looking for the internship. Just complete that 2 internships, then look for the 3rd option. Because we are not robots. We are human beings. We have to do a lot, right? As a student, you have to write university exam, you have to write assignments, you have to present seminars, you have to attend online classes, you have to attend webinars, you have to go for online courses. I just now said you have to do internships. So 24/7, you are actually working. So if you are engaging for more than 2 companies, for sure, you will be having a red mark in your career. You will be in the stressful situation so that you will be finding yourself first, not in a comfortable zone. So make sure that you will be stopping after getting 2 internships. Then after completing the 2 internships, you can go for the new ones. So just be in a slow mood when you have got at least 2 internships. Second thing, if you have 2 internships in your hand, please don't apply further. Because if you are applying, the other candidates' possibility of getting a job is being affected. The company will think you will be joining them soon. So they will be eagerly waiting after seeing your resume. This candidate is very suitable for our job. He will be an asset for us. She will be an asset for the company. Likewise, they will be thinking. When you are rejecting this offer, they will have a database with them. In the near future, if you are having an interest in the same company again, if you are applying after a period of 6 months or after 1 year, they will reject you. Why? Because they are having the database where you have been given with an offer and you have rejected it. So don't do that. Okay. Make sure that you are applying for those jobs, and if you are getting an offer letter, then read the same correctly. If you are not suitable for the post, kindly give them a reply in a very sensible and in a very convenient manner that will not make them feel bad about you. You can tell them, I am having another options now as I have applied for another internships. Thank you for the great opportunity. I am highly excited to receive an offer letter from you. Later, if you give me an opportunity after the completion of the current internships, I will get back to you. Thank you. So that will be so soothing for them. So they will think, okay, this person is very good, so professional. He or she is telling like this, she or he is interested in the company, but due to the current situation, she is having so much of internships in her hand, so she will not be able to manage this too. So later, if she is interested, she will apply. So make yourself different in replying to them. Make yourself in a comfortable zone so that you might not be there in the red list of the company. That is the place where you have to be slow. Then, green. Green is super. So positive vibes. Follow your passion. Follow some online courses. Follow for creating networks. That will bring you enough career opportunities. That will enlighten yourself with career enhancements. That will bring you some references. And green is something that is highly related to your passion. When you are in the green signal, all favorable things will be with you. All favorable things will be with you. The entire environment will be with you. So when you see a green signal in your life, go for it. No worries, no confusions, no tensions, no stress at all. Go for it. When you find a chance that can enlighten yourself, enrich yourself, that will enlarge yourself in front of the recruiters, in front of the peers, in front of the colleagues, go for it. Make a difference. Be a change agent. We say we can be a change agent. We can be a dynamic person who will be suitable for any type of conditions. So green symbol is very good for you. Follow your passion. Don't stop somewhere. When you get stressed, stop there. Do some other works like your hobbies, interest, reading, and something like that. Talk to some of your intimate fellow members. So these are the three things that you have to look while you are doing studies as well as job in a together mode. Okay. So that's it from my side. And if you need to contact me for any type of help or any type of queries, you can use this is my mobile number. This is my LinkedIn profile where you can find me. And now the session is open for any doubt or any clarifications. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your session. Your words enlightened us with a great knowledge. It's time for a Q&A section. If students have any doubt, you can ask now. Okay. Next, I invite Ms. Sedurashmi for vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Before you wind up, let me also express my sincere thanks. Because as a teacher, I should show the students with the role. As during the summer time, I was actually doing an internship in some of the US-based company called Cornerstone, and was working as a management expert. I think along with as a faculty also, I am also thinking about internship opportunities, because if we are doing, we can show how to do the things very well. That is known as practical experience. So my students, just do internship, because you are learning something experiential that will make your life so secure in the near future. Believe me, you can be there in one of the very good corporate institutions if you are doing your internships along your studies. This is my word. As a teacher of 8 years of experience, I would say a teacher is a person who is having a grace of God. So I would say you should hear the words of your teachers. Even if they are telling, I am also a person highly angry and highly tempered to my students sometimes when they are not showing some sort of responses in my class. But when it comes to their career, when it comes to their personal problems, we are having a separate mentality, like Anyan and Remo in the film. So sometimes we will be Remo to them, sometimes we will be Anyan to them, because we have to do that, because we are faculty members. We cannot see that some of our students are losing their career only because of us. So I just suggest, go for internship, go for it, take every opportunity. And last but not least, I thank Dr. Paul V. Matthew for this wonderful opportunity to have an interaction with this young minds. And I think the session was fruitful for them. And let me say them in the LinkedIn that they are posting like this. Through a workshop, we are able to find some internship opportunities. That will be a great achievement for a teacher. If my delivery of, if my presentation or if my talk is very effective, they will soon join in some internships. So I pray to God, almost all my students will join to the internship programs in the near future. And all the best, all the best for all the students and participants of this webinar. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
I am Sevi Lakshmi. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all for today's webinar. On behalf of our college, I would like to thank our chief guest, Ms. Joshua Jose, who graced us with her knowledge and enlightening us. Thank you, Mom. And I take this occurrence to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Paul V. Matthew, who graced for all words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. Thank you, sir, for being with us.
Thank you.
And my heartfelt thanks goes out to all our lecturers who always stand by us. Thank you for your valuable presence. Last but not least, I thank all the students showing their presence in this program. Once again, thank you very much and thank you all.
Thank you, Sevi Lakshmi. Session is over now. Thanks.
Thank you. Before winding up, can I say something? I will share the entire links through Paul V. Matthew sir, so that you can find the same from him. Thank you. I also will share the PPT. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.